Hey guys, alright, today just building a simple sub box, but got to get it done pretty quick and it's got a bit of a tight space it's got to fit into, so let's start building it. Alright, here's our boot. So these amps are going to move. We've got a couple of old kickers that he wants to put in here. Look, they're nothing special, but that's what he's got, so that's what we're doing. Start measuring it up and working out how to get it. Alright, that's about all the information I need. Go start making something. Alright, that's the box pre-assembled, so a quick dry assemble. Have a look. So now I've got it to the stage. Go and check it out in the car, make sure it's all going to fit. And start gluing it and get the sides made. Alright, we have the box in nice and tight. Cool. Yep. Alright, I have my side panels made up and everything's just sort of sitting together for now, but I'm going to start working out the sub placement on the front baffle and start getting that cut out. So I'm just going to find the center of my baffle, all the way through the middle and the other way as well. Now, because these are going to be firing through the ski port or the fold down hole in the rear seat, the subs, I want to try and get them as close into the center as possible because the opening's not very wide, it's only about 400 wide. So what I'm going to do is just give myself a little bit of spacing from the center, and then I'm going to use my 12-inch template that I've got there, and then start marking out where they're going to sit. So, 12-inch template, now I can use that marker as my starting point. Alright, so, got the baffle marked up. I can start getting this rough cut and start getting this trimmed out to get the subs in there. Woo! Alright, so rough cut done. Get a bit into Jess and we'll get these cut out.
Loves a good shaft.
faily base. Delightful. Oh, beautiful. That's it. Looks good to me. So, our box is glued and screwed. It is pretty well ready to go now, so subs are inset. I've got a rabbit on the side. And all ready to trim. So, start trimming it.
fit. Lovely.
Cool, well that was a nice easy one. Just a quick simple install. The customer didn't have a lot of money to spend, but you know, we wanted to give him something that was a little bit nicer than just a really basic box in the boot. So that makes it look a little bit neater, a little bit nicer. It's not super pretty, but hey, The customer was over the moon about it, so can't complain with that. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe it, and I will see you guys very soon. No worries.
I do what I do. Yes. Bang!
God, I'm a noisy prick.